What's up guys, Larry here with SMG Boats and this beautiful 2017 Tige Z3 we just took in. Let's check this thing out. You've got the gray exterior metal flake with the blue accents, sits on a custom boat made trailer with 18-inch wheels and tires. Awesome towing. Interior of the boat, the bow is beautiful, flip up windscreen underneath that seat. Moving to your helm, you have a tilt steering wheel, 3 analog gauges with your touchscreen with presets, super easy to use. Wraparound seating, you can see that beautiful diamond stitching, made in-house, glove box, flip up trash can, Alpha E2 tower that is electric, Rev 10 tower speakers, swivel board racks. That wraparound seating continued with your 6.2 Raptor engine underneath there. Awesome boat. TAPS 3 surf system, backup camera, transom remote, transom ski hook, and transom storage. Check it out.